Hello, in this video we'll show you how to remove the front subframe on a Renault Scenic second generation. In order to remove the front subframe, we'll start by removing the two wheels. So the bolts that we need to remove are bolts on the ball joints on the two sides. Also there is 7 or 8 bolts that hold the subframe that we need to drop. There is also 2 bolts holding the steering rack, and also the gearbox mount we need to remove. We start by removing the bolts for the ball joints and then remove the ball joint as well. If the video is useful, please like and subscribe. Next, we'll remove the 2 bolts holding the steering rack to the subframe. Next, we'll remove the 3 bolts holding the gearbox mount and remove the mount. We can see now that the steering rack is loose. Now we're gonna put an elastic rope on it so that when we drop the subframe it doesn't go down. Next, we'll remove the bolts that hold the stabilizer bushings. There is 1 bolt on each bushing that we need to remove, that's one, and another one on the other side. Next, we're going to put a transmission jack underneath the subframe so that when we start removing the bolts, the subframe is not gonna fall down. And now we start removing the subframe bolts. There's another two bolts holding the subframe on the sides. There's two bolts on the front of the subframe that we need to remove. We need to remove the mudguard as well. Not remove it, just get it loose on the bottom so that it goes up, and then there is another two bolts on there that hold the frame. Next, we need to remove the stabilizer link bushings from the subframe, and on one side we need a pry bar to do it. Yep, this one is removed. Now we remove the other one. And now that we've removed everything, we can drop down the subframe and drop it down slowly and look if there is anything that you still need to remove, a connection or anything, and then just drop down the subframe.